Devi, Parvati here.
Ravi sir is with clients. Any message, Parvati?
No, nothing. I was not able to reach him.
He'll be late home today. Anyway, I'll pass the message. How is Ammu?
We just came out to buy the PlayStation as she scored the very good marks this time. This is the treat for her and also a chicken bucket. Okay, please inform Ravi to call me, okay? Ammu? 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 Did you see a small girl here?
No, ma'am.
Madam,
Huh?
your daughter is there.
Huh. Ammu? Where have you been? You just scared me.
Mom, is it not cute? This uncle gave me.
Oh my god. Oh gosh, you spoilt it. I wanted to give you a surprise.
What is this, Ravi? Every time you give me the same surprise. Why don't you give me some different surprise? I'm really bored of same old surprise.
Then why did you shout? I dropped it because of you.
Oh, do you think you're bold enough? We should take the photo of your expression and hang it there. The people working at your site also will be scared looking at you.
Whatever it is, my Black Forest got wasted. I broke open the bakery and brought here.
Do you know what I remember when I see this? It looks like the title of the breaking news. The broken and scattered cake.
It's like my heart which is broken and shattered. It's okay. We have 2 more minutes. I had a different plan. In the dark itself, I had toiled to get matchbox and knife. Hold it. Happy birthday, my love. Blow it. Hey, not me. You first.
Huh.
No. That is more tastier than this. Come. Ammu?
What is happening here?
Today's mom's birthday, right? She was cutting the cake.
Why didn't you call me?
Oh, I thought you were sleeping. You haven't slept yet?
No,
Why? Why so?
I was making my doll to sleep.
Did your doll sleep?
No, you people are making lot of noise.
Oh, in that case, we'll give sleeping pills for the doll. What's your mom doing?
Oh my god, she's taking the cake from the ground.
No. You shouldn't eat cake which has fallen down. Mom is a dirty girl. Come here. Leave the knife. Come, we'll go upstairs. Then we'll both sing a birthday song for your mom, okay?
MD is quite angry.
Now, what did I do?
He is also asking the same. Anyway, he's calling you.
Okay.
Somebody say something. What could be the solution?
Sir, the matter is... Sir, matter is little complicated, sir.
Oh, really? I don't want the details of the problem. I want the solution.
Sir, good morning. May I?
Good morning. Not for me at least. I don't understand which engineering college gave you the degree.
Sir, it is.
What is it? Come on, complete the sentence. Don't you know what you have done? As per your honorable plan, this multi-story building has been built. Do you remember? As you see, there are two buildings here. The Heavenly Heights of the Spectrum Constructions. The other one is like Tower of Metropolis. Approach road is in between. What should be the width? Tell me, man. Come on, tell me what should be the width.
Sir, 12. It should be 12 meters.
Then what is this? What is the current width now?
10 meters.
What the hell is happening here? Don't you see? The government has bought a stay. What should be done with the existing building? Should we demolish it?
Sir, if we buy the plot, our company will be in loss. That is why.
Why do you bother? Don't worry about the company's profit and loss. That's our headache. We will take care of it. Do what you are assigned for. You get that?
Almost everyone, including Ravi sir, knows about this problem.
No chance. No chance at all.
Sir,
Devi,
sir,
where is Ravi?
he's in the cabin, sir. He's in a client meeting.
Call him.
Okay, sir.
The approach road is only 10 meters, which should be 12 meters. I had already told that a couple of cents are to be added, and I believe that plot was available too, isn't it? I had signed and gave you a written statement. Devi, get me the blueprint.
Here.
Here. Check the date. This is 3 years old, isn't it? You had told me once that your wife has a cousin in the ministerial staff and he could handle this neatly. He must have got good amount for changing from 12 meters to 10 meters. Guys in the corporation would have also got the bribe.
What's happening here? Ravi, who is making such decisions? And you think you have a reason to continue here?
Sir, I think I have a way out. But I have to talk to you alone.
Please excuse us. Anand, I said everybody, that includes you too. So Ravi, what's the way out now?
There is a way out, sir, but it's a little out of the box thought. There is money involved, but in the long run, our company will have the benefit. If we come through Vallarpadam terminal, Kochi will be better than Visakhapatnam port, even if it could be better than Mumbai port. At the backside of our project, here, this is a land of 25 cents. It belongs to Shiva Subramaniam. We have to buy that plot. As our structure is built up, Shiva Subramaniam will have no access for his plot. There will be only a narrow way for a scooter to pass. Now we can buy it for cheap. On the opposite side of Shiva Subramaniam's plot, on this side of the lagoon, it is Vipin Cherai's route. If we construct a bridge with our money for us to get over there, the government will be lenient to us. Don't you know how to tackle that? So, we will be offering a bridge to the government. It will be a bonus for them. If the bridge is built, it will be a shortcut to Thrissur without touching the highway. We could save 1/3 of the distance. Government will be with us.
Good. You make a draft ASAP. I'll ask my dad to talk to the minister and you go ahead.
But one thing, this talk should be secretive between us. Secrets can be leaked out from inside. I'm not sure if it is the work of someone who went out. But why take chances? The secret should be between us till the beginning of this bridge.
You know what, Ravi? I was not worried about the solution for this problem. I was worried about how to face my father. Since I am a Eton University's degree topper, I should not be a laughing stock. Before getting it there, you saved my life, man.
That's my job, sir.
Thank you.
Papa,
Hmm.
you should complete this and go.
Okay. Paru, take the phone.
Hello?
Is your husband there?
He's here. I'll give it to him.
No need. Listen to me. I'm sure he doesn't understand what I'm going to say. Ask him not to bother others anymore. Are you getting it? Being over smart is harmful to health. If you don't just play along, he will be dead for sure. I don't know how you convince him.
I thought it has stopped, but again it has started.
What is it?
Threatening calls. The same story. I'll chop the hands, I'll chop the legs.
Hmm.
I think you're the one behind all these things.
Why?
Just to show off. Maybe to show that you are a great person.
In this whole world, only women can get such type of ideas, isn't it? It's not wrong what Padma Shri Lieutenant Colonel Bharat Mohan Lal has told, that there should be a woman in the army and other forces. You know, because they are very crooked-minded.
Ammu, please drink this milk and finish it off, baby. Only then you will become a big girl.
Is it? When I become big, I'll go to school, right?
No, let's go to college. Hey, Hansi.
Hi.
You came alone? Please come inside.
Belated happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. When did you reach?
Yesterday.
Oh, is it?
Huh.
Why did you bring all this gift? Oh, next month is your birthday, right? Don't expect all these gifts from me. I don't give any.
Hey Paru, don't try to save all your husband's money. Spend some of it. Ah, Ammu is here. I didn't see you.
Auntie, auntie, you have put on weight.
Oh, is it your mom only keeping her body thin? Shut it.
Oh, when did you come?
Ah, just now.
Hansi has become little thin.
Oh, it's so funny. Just now your daughter said she has put on weight.
Oh, it's because she was comparing you with her. When I came in the frame, the weight has been balanced, right? Hansi, please advise her some diet. Look at me. You can see how much flesh is there in me. People will think I'm not feeding her anything.
You won't reduce your weight, but you want me to do all these things.
Oh, my dear. You're shedding your flesh for me too. Tomorrow is your kitty party, right? Tomorrow she'll be completely free. Tomorrow she'll be away from her responsibilities. What she was being called in the college?
Woodpecker Paru.
Let my wife enjoy all the freedom, my dear woodpecker. So, take care. Catch you later. Ammu dear, are you building flat for me?
No, it is house.
Oh, it's a house.
You're really lucky to have a husband like him.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Ah, Shyam, Maria, are you ogling in the office hours? Carry on. Anthony,
Hi, Ravi.
James, a coffee for me. Tell me.
Nothing. The company is launching a new project tomorrow.
Yes.
Marine Mirage.
Hmm.
The most expensive project of our company. For 2 years, with complete focus, I gave my heart and soul to start my dream project. Now the project is on, but I'm out. But the boss made you the project lead. You caught the right fish as soon as you entered the company. Now his son. Very good.
What are you talking, Anthony? I have no specific interest in the Marine Mirage. The company has instructed me and I'm doing it. That's all. I didn't know that you had so much interest in this. You didn't tell me. I'll do one thing. In tomorrow's meeting, I will tell Navin sir to make you the project lead.
Hmm.
Trust me, man. I'm not bluffing. I'll talk to him.
सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने
My dear friends, are you really done with it?
He got it again. I am not playing this
Hey.
game. It is hard to defeat this guy in this game. He will take all the money in the game. Why would you go so soon? Sit here for a while. We'll order a peg, have them and go. Oh, I don't need, man. If I have 2 more pegs, my wife is very, very strict. She'll not allow me inside the house only. Where should I go and die?
Oh, you're not going to die if you take one more peg. The bad guys don't die so soon, you know.
Shut up, man. Brother, you are very good at this game. But careful with Ravi. Don't underestimate him. He's also very good at this.
What is it, Davis brother? We're just playing. My time is good and I win, isn't it?
Yeah. Your time is the best time, I must say. Wherever it is, in the game or in the business. The 70-cent land of the Blue Star Govindan. Hey, near the Grow Park, man. When you sold the land for extra $50, Davis brother lost his $20. That comes to 20 lakhs. Davis anyway got his advance back. But the matter did not end here only. Then, this good time, what we're talking, this is really heavenly. When these good times get reshuffled, the king will look like a joker.
Why the joker? You better be as the king. Whatever loss you have acquired, we can make it right.
What is the need? I don't need that. All my life I have earned and I have lived. It is only on my earnings that I have lived my life. I have never asked my dad a single penny. How does it sound? Really, if I wish to get back the money that I lost, I would have boarded Thrissur bus. What is the issue, man? You have a good job. Isn't that enough? There are people like us to do the real estate business.
Brother Davies, I like you very much. It is not because of the cartoon car and patras at all. In earlier days, when I was living in a single room flat, I had some roommates who were making comedies in the Thrissur accent. It used to reduce all the stress in my life to a great extent. That is not a trivial matter to me. I have that affection and obligation for you. You should not spoil it with your nasty dialogues. Do you understand? The reason why I'm in the real estate is, I have a daughter. My dad has not given me anything. That's my fate. It's okay. That's the God's wish.
I really like your straight answer. Even if you tell it very smoothly, the matter is very vicious. Enjoy yourself today. You know that very well, right? Davis is very dangerous. All I need is a small bomb to keep you away from me. Got it?
Davis brother, every day he sings a song for all of us, right? After we take 2 drinks, he used to say in Konkani obscene language, Tugel Bappa ka buddhi sitesi randai puta. Am I right, Atri? You're right. Yes. You can ask him the meaning of it whenever you want. Okay? I'll leave. Oh, Anthony.
Hi.
Navin sir,
Yeah, Ravi?
1 minute. It's not a recommendation, but only a suggestion. For our project, we need another lead.
Is there somebody who is interested?
Anthony is more interested. I think he can do better than me. He has the basic taste in the marine structure and the design of it.
No.
Why, sir?
You personally have to take the lead here. I can't risk it anymore. When dad asks you to do something, definitely has got something in his mind running. Good day, man.
Anthony, I did what I could do.
You acted like you did it. You are smarter than I think.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Anand. I don't know exactly. Never mind, sir. I'll call you on the way. I'll be there around noon, sir. Okay. Paru, you know Krishnamurthy, sir? Who is Navin's dad? He's our chairman. If he calls to the guest house, that to a regional head like me, it means something big. Anyway, I should have to stay there one day. I'll have to booze with lot of people and I have to hear whatever they say. How they started their life, how they became big real estate tycoons, and how they became biggest builders in South India. But in the next morning, Ravi Abraham will be the vice president of the Atrium Structures.
Really? Great. Then you must go tomorrow at any cost. Then I will cancel the tomorrow's kitty party. I will take care of Ammu.
No way. I've already planned with Ansi. Please don't consider me as a fool. Do one thing. You remember one maid used to come to look after our baby? What's her name?
Cicely.
Call her.
Ammu will be fine with her.
If so, I will drop her on the way to the office.
Okay, then let me call her and
Call her.
check. Are you from Seva?
Beatrice. Cicely has a test. I came in her place.
Please come.
I got late because of the long traffic.
No problem, we are still getting ready.
Where is the child?
Ammu?
What's your name, child? It's so cute.
Ravi, are you ready?
Of course. Do you think I need lipstick and mascaras? All I need is extra 2 underwears.
Chi, stop talking nonsense. How is still people bearing you at office? And Cicely has not come. Someone named Beatrice has come.
Beatrice?
Huh.
Something is wrong in her name.
Cha.
Isn't it? Beatrice. Who knows?
Let me kiss you. Please take care. She's naughty.
Ammu dear, mom always says that I'm very fat. Is it so?
No, Dad is perfect.
Look at her.
She always says that. You know who are our heroes? WWF hefty peoples.
He's not hefty. He's Kane.
You have spoiled. Leave it. Give me a kiss.
Mwah.
Okay?
Okay.
Beatrice, you know right? Paru is going for a party. Even though it is late, you have to stay here till she comes back.
I'll stay.
Paru, I think I kept the charger in the car.
No, you didn't keep it. I kept the charger.
What I should have done without you.
That's enough. Let's leave.
Thought of giving you a small compliment, but you're rejecting it. Leave it if you don't like it.
Bye, Ammu.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Will she be with the Beatrice? There won't be any issues, right? Yesterday I told you about the BB's post. I think I'm a bit greedy after it. But when I become head of operations, I'll get hike of 80%. You remember we had seen a flat in Marine Drive? In projecting balcony into the sea? You had liked it very much. I have to buy it.
Really? You still remember it? I just said it for fun.
What's there in the life without any fun, you know? You remember the guy Ajayan, architect? He's the marketing head over there. We'll get a good deal.
Hi, my car has been broken down. Can I have a ride on the way?
Yeah, get in.
Thanks. I want to get down near the city center. Now I'm feeling relaxed. I have an appointment at the speed parcel service. On such important occasion, my car has been broken down. It's not the first time. It always happens like this. By the way, what's your name?
Ravi Abraham.
This must be your wife, right?
Huh, Parvati.
Hey, then yours is intercaste marriage, right?
Yes.
What is your job? Where do you work?
Atrium Towers.
You mean that 20-floor building?
21 floors.
That's what I thought. I've come there once. Not exactly there, but I've come around that building. You know, when I was there, I had an emergency.
Toilet?
Yeah, at that time, my friend was working there on 3rd floor.
Prime Focus.
Prime Focus. His name is Santosh from Adakaputtur. I actually went to his office and I finished my business. Which is this car?
Fortuner.
A guy once told me about the car. It's not this car. It's a CRV. 2005 model. He told me that it is 12 lakh rupees. I thought it is...
For 2005 model, 12 lakhs is quite cheap.
I have applied for the vehicle loan. If I get that...
How about your car?
It's an old one, 98 model. Only sometimes it creates the problems. Have we met before? Because we are talking too much. It's a fact. There is an unknown relationship between human beings. For example, we met only a few minutes ago, but we are so close. Vehicles are also like that. There are few people, even if they are married for 20 years, the bond with their wife will not be good at all. Me and my car are like that, I guess. Always creates a problem. Even after consuming petrol, it is giving problems only. It's not left, it is right.
City center is towards left.
No, it is towards right only.
No, sir. This is the way.
Turn towards the right.
This is the way. I know it well.
Turn towards the right, man.
What did you say?
Turn towards the right, I said. Just drive how I say. You are going to be a dead man if I pull this trigger. You should only stop when I ask you to. Got it?
What do you want?
I got what I want, isn't it? Abraham.
Don't call me Abraham.
Why not, man? Isn't it your dad's name?
What are you saying?
Shut up! This call is for you.
Hey,
I like smartness, but only if it comes from me.
Hello? Ravi?
Ammu.
You? She is waiting to hear her mama's voice, right? Talk to her.
Hello? Listen, Ammu. Are you okay? Nothing, dear. I have reached Auntie's house. I'll come soon. Listen to Auntie's words. Okay, baby?
Don't make me cry, Parvati.
I need to talk to my doctor. I want to talk to her.
You cannot be the smartest man the whole life, you understand? The babysitter you appointed by the name Beatrice, she's an expert at babysitting. Understand that.
Okay. What do you want from us? How much do you want?
How much? How much can you give me?
Around 35 lakhs.
Wrong. 77 lakh and 334 rupees. You have that much. To be exact. The mutual accounts between us should always be right, isn't it? Abraham. Both of you, give me your mobile phones. Anyhow, both are tapped, but still, I don't want to take any risk. Parvati can go.
It is our joint account. It requires my signature also to withdraw the money.
Oh, that's great. The model wife and husband. Generally, people don't trust each other nowadays. And you have a joint account. Don't forget one point. Ammu is there waiting for you people. And for my phone call, Beatrice is waiting. Ammu is really innocent. Isn't it, Parvati? Sometimes you have to remind Ravi about that.
Ravi, who is he?
We should have cross-checked Beatrice before allowing her.
She has come from Seva.
Were you really sure about it? I felt some negative approach from her.
Ravi, let's ask mobile from someone.
Why?
To call the police.
To call the police? Paru, Ammu is in his custody. How do we know who else are behind him? What can police do? How can we get back Ammu if at all police arrest him? We have to obey him. Come.
Here's your cash.
Thank you, madam.
Name Ravi Abraham. 555 77 444. We didn't bring the check. We need a cash withdrawal form. Pen, please.
So, sir, are you closing the account?
I'm not closing the account. I'm withdrawing the full cash.
Sir, I will have to consult the manager.
Why? I need to withdraw my money from my account. Why you need to consult your manager for it? Is this 1 minute banking what you advertise? We can get the money faster from the moneylenders. I want my money and I want it now.
Ravi, please don't make a scene. Everyone are noticing that we are panic. You please go to the car. I will handle everything.
Paru, these people.
Just think of Ammu. Please go. Sorry, he was in some tension. Can you please make it fast? I'll wait here.
Ammu is really good at drawing. Nice picture. When the problem really affects our dear ones, we generally tend to lose ourselves. It has to be like that.
Please don't harm my daughter. Whatever we had, we have given it to you.
I don't have to count it, right?
No, I'm not lying. Everything is there.
77,334 rupees. Not bad. My today's earnings. Now, give me your cash and cards. Give me your cash and cards!
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? No! Bastard!
I will burn your car also. Drive the car. Huh? I really got irritated when I saw that much of money. Now I'm relaxed. Okay, call him and tell him that you will be late.
Hello, it's me, Ravi. I'll be there in a while. Parvati is not feeling well. No, we don't have the place. I'll call you when you come out there.
Huh.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Parvati needs to call. If you don't call them, they'll be waiting for you. You should not spoil the kitty parties, right?
Hello, Ansi. I will not be able to come today. I'll tell you later. I'll call you tomorrow. Okay, carry on.
We almost forgot the time, right? We guys are hungry. There's a hotel nearby. Now we are going there. The car will not go further. We will stop here. There is a hotel behind this slum.
Really?
This place and this life is not what it is looking like.
Oh, sir. Please come inside. Please sit down. What do you want?
What do you have?
You tell me what you want.
Elephant fry.
What is that?
Elephant fry. Porcupine. That's why I asked you what do you have here.
Sir, tell me anything in fish items. We have variety of fish dishes. What do you want?
5 minutes. I will tell you. So, you're going, right?
To where?
We need money, right? Whatever we had, I burnt them, right? Even I don't have any money with me. Who will pay the bill here? Then, are we going to run away from here? We have to travel, have to fill the fuel. When we are hungry, we need to eat. Many expenses.
Enough is enough. Tell me, what is your plan? What wrong we have done for this? We need an answer to that.
Is it Parvati? Won't you listen to me if I say something? You tell me. Nowadays, men don't take wise decisions.
Ravi, please. Let's do it. For the sake of Ammu.
Our daughter is in your hands. Otherwise...
You can't do anything. The person who has got so much to lose should not fight with a person who has got nothing to lose. No one will ever know what he is going to do. I'll give you 30 minutes. Before that, you and the money should be here. Or else, you're never going to see Ammu. There'll be a home delivery of a small coffin.
Where are we going? What place is this Paru?
Let's go and check there. Ravi, why don't we call someone?
How can I call? All numbers are in the mobile. I don't remember any of the number. I don't even know the office number. If at all I remember, whom do I call? Whom shall I trust? Will they come if I call to a place like this? They'll never come. What to do now? Let us pledge this watch. Excuse me, any pawnbroker over here? Go man. Sir, you know any pawn shop around here?
Who has to be pledged among you?
To pledge my watch. You want to pledge the watch? Are you trying to make fool out of me? You want to pledge the cloth? Hey, listen. There is a bald man in the street. Hakim said. He accepts even the underwear of the foreigners. Go and meet him. The second right from here.
Bugari. Old one, not that old also. People used to call this as Beagle Gari. In 1998, Rennis Rahman, you know him, right? The one who runs a computer business, the techie. He went to Singapore and found out that this is a Bulgari. That name is also gone now. Now it is Bugari.
I want to pledge it.
Are you in your dreamland? Who will accept watches as pledge these days? If it was Seiko or Ricoh, it would have been best.
It's an original one.
I can get your duplicate one right now. That too made in Delhi. You are talking about Bugari. If it is gold or something else, once I keep it in my hand like this, it is going to tell me, "Dear Hakim, don't worry. This is the original one." If it is not, "Hey you idiot Hakim, this is duplicate," it says. Do you know there is a person named Abdul Karim Haji near Thrissur? He took a few goldsmiths with him to Singapore to teach them how to make watches. They made a duplicate copy of Titan and Citizen and they sold it there as their first copy. In Kochi, people are selling this and doing a very big business. These boys now, they don't know how to prepare these type of watches. They are importing these type of watches from Kochi now.
Okay, no pledging. How much will you give?
All I can give is only 6,000 rupees.
6,000 rupees. It costs a lakh.
You don't have to teach me how much it costs. It is so old and it is useless. There is an expensive watch near me. Do you want to see it? It is called as the Diagono series.
6,000 rupees is not enough.
There is no guarantee card. There is no box also. There is no cover for this. How can I give you more? 6,000 is only too much.
Okay, fine. Give me 6,000.
Take it. Since it is a first deal, I'm being very strict. Hey, listen. Get me some more items if you have. The moving items in Kochi are Redling and Bob and Mercer only. If you have them, get them here. We can negotiate the price. Will you drink some tea?
No need. Is there a shortcut to Tipu Sultan Hotel?
Tipu Sultan Hotel is just behind this. Take a right from here and take a right and then go straight. It looks like a original only.
Amir, I'll talk to you later. Give that bill to him.
2,300 rupees. Sir, take it.
The needy people are outside, right?
What, sir? I heard that you asked for elephant fry. Now it is not available here. When I used to run the hotel in Nanjangud, we used to serve that.
I know that. Parvati, come here. The address is inside. You have to deliver it there, Parvati. What? You can't do that?
Who, me?
Yes, a small help. Won't you do? Parvati will do that. I know that. You also love Amu, right?
What is this?
Asian Kara. Achu Mama's house is the address. What do you say, Parvati?
Ravi, I will give it. I will give it wherever it is.
Just a phone call is enough. I want to know whether it is delivered or not. Don't do any stupid things. Your child's life is still under my control. Don't forget that. Speak thoughtfully.
What are you doing here, Ambi? What partying?
No, brother, I was in office work. How come you are here?
I just came here. Oh, sorry. I'm his brother, Kalyana Krishna. You know Rukku auntie from Tanjavur? I'm her son. Sister called me and insisted me to give you the snacks. They have given me so much to deliver it to you. This person is a friend of ours.
Yes, Ravi Abraham.
Oh, are you Christian? He looks like Kannamma's brother. Same shirt, same pants, same shoes, but face is different. Okay, I have no problem. I'll arrange everything and I'll give company to you.
Brother, we are little busy now.
Even I am busy, leave it. Since you both are friends, you are partying in the weekends.
Yes, will you join with us?
Why not? I was waiting for an auto for so long. Nobody is stopping. I wanted to give a Jeevan Raksha policy. Will you go that way?
No problem. We will drop you there.
No, brother, you just leave.
Shut up, Manambi. When a friend is calling you with so affection, that too for a free lift. What is your problem? Go, get
Not
inside.
here. Back.
We can get inside from
No,
here.
no.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is a old model.
Seems like you are very happy to give him a lift.
By God's grace, the person who sat inside came as a ball into my court. Let me play with it.
Play as long as you want.
It is called cheetah. It is made with rice. You're driving, right? Eat them.
No thanks.
Rukku Mami prepared it herself. Taste it once. Please eat it. How do you know my brother Ambi? I am sure you met in bar. I know it very well. I am this guy's brother. Brother means I'm a cousin. By the way, what drink do you like?
Single malt of any brand.
Oh, very nice. Listen, Ravi. His family is not doing so well. His father has retired from irrigation department. His mother is a housewife. He joined Victoria College for BSc. At that time, he got a letter from Kharagpur IIT. That day only I asked him to take up the IT. He didn't listen. He took up nuclear physics. I can still remember. When he was 10 years old, during Deepavali and Vishu festival, neighborhood children would bring Shivakashi crackers to him. He used to mix Navasaram, battery coal and other chemicals and used to make good explosives. He was very good at it. During Deepavali, we used to fear for the cracker sound. It used to blast with a great sound. It was crackers then. Now it is the bomb. That is the difference. He is the eldest one in the house. He has got a sister named Ranjani. She is a lecturer in a college named NSS.
Brother, will you shut up for some time?
What's wrong, Gambi? He's your friend, right? By the way, where do you work, Ravi?
Atrium Structures.
Oh, very famous company it is. Suffering from asthma. Ravi, do you have interest in insurance policy? I am an insurance agent. True Life Insurance Company. The world has spoiled so much. Wherever you see terrorist attack, bomb blast, tsunami, earthquakes. Okay, forget it. Are we going for some bar? Or any private place?
Brother, there is no such thing.
You don't have to respect me. Haven't we had drink before together? We had, right? Why don't we do that again today? Today is a new moon day and also Naraka Chaturdashi. It is also known as Day of Evil.
Oh.
Hello?
If you are thinking to know who I am by the support of my brother, it won't happen.
There is nothing wrong if I try for it.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, it is true. It won't happen. Okay, yeah, no problem.
Ammu hasn't eaten anything, I guess. If you show me this kind of behavior, Ammu is going to suffer a lot.
You can call me anytime. I am going to answer. Okay,
Brother,
I'll talk to you later.
His child does the drawing so good. Smart girl.
Brother, we have to. I have to go to some other place.
Oh.
Brother, you finish your meeting with your client and wait there with your drink. We will join you soon.
Oh.
We have some land dealings.
It's okay. I'm going to wait. You go finish your work. I'll go meet my client and get the drinks and wait at Muttar Junction. Nearby only there is a beverage shop also. Cash, I have only card with me. They won't accept that, right? Ambi, do you have some money? Hey, write it down, man. I will give it back. You can get the food. That is enough. And I'm a pure vegetarian. Don't forget that. If there is pork, get some of it. Okay, we'll meet then. What's wrong with this guy? I think he's in some trouble. I have never seen him in such bad mood. Okay, beat whatever. I'll have some 2 small drinks. Usually people fight in the queue of cinema theatre, railway station and everywhere. Look at the discipline they're maintaining here. You can see such discipline only with Malayalis. There is a brandy brand in Karnataka. Is it possible to get it here now?
I don't know.
He doesn't know anything at all.
I know there is a snake and ladder game in your corporate sector. I just want to know how you win all the games. I'm curious to know. Krishnamurthy sir is the blue-eyed boy. Now you are with Naveen Krishnamurthy. You know what I'm going to do. Don't try to act smart by using my brother. When you played a big game of business by using Palakkad people, you never knew your daughter is going to pay for it, right? Your plan is not working accordingly, Abraham. You are thinking about getting a promotion, isn't it? From project manager position to operation manager. It is a very big leap. Naveen Krishnamurthy, your new boss, you already have him in your hand, right? I will distort it. I can do much more things than you imagine, Abraham. Do you get it? Now stop the car. Your company's, it is yours, most coveted project. An open and free ticket to the luxurious life. Overbridge that touches the Vipin Cherai route. This is the blueprint of that. See here. These are the papers of your dream project. Ravi, this secret only should be between us. If this leaks out, you will be under more trouble than me. This is your wish. Vipin Paravur Link Bridge.
I know it, sir. Until the day when this project starts, nobody will know it. How did you know this?
What kind of stupid question is this, Abraham? In this world, dark secrets will also reveal. And yours, these bloody corporate secrets are nothing. Do you know that building? I guess you know that. Sinotech. Your company's primary enemy. Don't get tensed. This is just a photocopy. Original papers are in the hands of Parvati.
Don't do this. By doing this, you're not only spoiling my career, but also spoiling a good project for the town. Listen, it's a relief for the people from the traffic jam of the city.
Oh, you have so much of social service mindset, Abraham. I can't notice it when I see you. Okay, call and ask Parvati to not to give it before she reaches Sinotech MD Matthew's cabin. You still have time.
Hello?
Paru, it's me.
Don't give the envelope to him.
What are you saying?
Please don't give it to him.
We have to do whatever he says, right? I can't take risk in Ammu's matter. What will happen if we give this?
Just do what I say.
I'll do. But whatever he says.
Paru. Come on, Paru, pick the phone.
In your life, you always won't get chances for free of cost. Here comes a day where even your wife is also not trusting you. It's getting late. Let's go and wait downstairs to the office. Or else, there are high chances of Parvati showing her smartness, isn't it? What? Are you upset? Those who don't run alongside the life, they'll get tired. You haven't got a chance to run in your life, right? How is your daughter? Is she adamant? Let me talk to her. Connect the line to 106. It's me. Is everything all right? Okay. I'll call you. Parvati. Parvati is a very beautiful lady, right? Even she is roaming since morning. But her glamour hasn't denounced a bit.
Paru, didn't I tell you not to give the cover to him? It was a blueprint of that bridge.
I'm sorry, Ravi, but he said.
I called you after he said to me. That was our life.
But how do I know about it? But I could only think about Ammu. I couldn't think anything else.
You just didn't spoil my career, but our entire life.
Did I spoil your career? Am I the only reason for this?
I did not say that you were the reason.
You husband and wife can carry on. I'll be back in a while.
I'm not the reason for this. He is the only reason for this. You please try to understand.
Whatever it is, I am going to lose the job. And also my goodwill, which I earned with all my hard work without anybody's support. And only because of my career I could give good life to you and Ammu. Now everything will be lost at once.
Ravi, taking care of me and Ammu should never be burden for you. It's your responsibility. She is your child too.
Is it? That's a new matter for me. But it is for you to blame me for a mistake which you have done it now.
Try to understand, Ravi. He too wished to happen all this. He wanted to create problem between us by leaking the bridge plan. And he achieved it so easily. Ravi, he has left the phone.
Paru, he had made a call. I think it must be to a hotel room. I'm sure Ammu will be there. Check the number.
44
Not the code. Tell me the number.
252
252
32
32
81.
81.
Ravi, he's coming.
Have you sorted out your problems? There is a bookshop in Rajiv Gandhi bus station in 2nd West Bay. You just keep this in the basement and come. I'll give you 1 hour time.
I can't do it.
What did you say? Come again?
Paru, I saw his brother today. He was an innocent, but he didn't know that his brother...
Hey! If you stop this, it is better for all of us.
Listen to me. You have a good family. Your father is a retired government employee. Your sister is a lecturer in college. Then why do you need all this...
You bloody...
Hey, please leave him. Please. Hey, we will do it. We will do it. We will do it. Ravi, what would be inside this?
Let it be anything. It doesn't matter. Ammu's whereabouts are important to us.
Let's call from my mobile.
No, your phone may be trapped. Let's make a call from the booth. Hold it. Hello?
Hello, Queen's Lodge.
Queen's Lodge. Where is it? Brother, wait for some time. We'll be back. Come.
Please come soon. Brother, you are very lucky.
Ravi, what about the briefcase?
It's in auto. If he wants, let him take that.
This isn't a wrong game, Abraham. Your game is completely over. You should know this. In your own hometown, by locking you and your wife in your own car, you should have understood. Why would I just leave my mobile phone in your car and just leave the place? It was a part of my plan, and you were caught in my trap.
Why are you doing this to us? Who are you?
Haven't you heard about Takshakan? There is no image for the perils. Doesn't matter where you're going to hide. It is going to hunt you down and kill you brutally.
Where is my daughter?
I'll tell you. Why did you stop with only one child? Should have had two. If one was dead, the other one would have been alive. Is it a planning? Or is it Ravi has given... It is Ammu's, right? Huh? I can't take your cake, right? But there are few circumstances. This strong and well-built physique certainly can never help you to sort out your problems. Hey! If you take one step forward, Beatrice will crush your child like this. Don't forget that. Parvati, relax. As if you're chiseled out.
You. The moment when you bring an end for this, the moment when you bring an end to this play, I'm going to kill you. I will kill you.
That is what I'm waiting for. To end the play. Is that it, Abraham? Can you bear it? Parvati, he spoiled my mood. We have a lot of time before the day breaks. Now, you can go, Abraham, to the bus station. Parvati will stay with me. Or else you might think of showing your smartness again. Leave now.
It was crackers then. Now it is the bomb. That is the difference.
Hey! Don't run! My box! Catch him!
Keep the sins always away, not the sinister. Before you even realize, the sins will vanish your life. One who is forced to commit the sin, even if he is not willing to commit it, why would he do it? What will be his cause? Here the sin is thrown by me, but the punishment will be for you. This is how the world works, Abraham. I have the whole night to commit the remaining sin, and I will complete it. I know you are very good at mesmerizing your corporate clients. I want to see it. There, you see that? Lady in black sari. Go and bring her.
What do you mean? That lady?
I want to see how you negotiate. It's an order. Before the crowd gathers, go and bring her along. If you don't go, she will go. You want to see that?
Hey, is there any discount?
Ha! Get lost. Go and ask your mother. These rascals come and irritate me every night and say no money. Am I running a cloth shop to offer you discount?
Hello.
Huh? Oh my god, what am I seeing? I thought you came here to breathe some fresh air.
Will you come with me? I'll give you 1,000.
Oh my goodness, what am I listening? Sir, are you fixing a rate for me? It's a shame thing. What if somebody listens to this?
No, I will.
What is this? Whenever I see you, you're occupied. What happened to your mobile phone?
Let me live my life, Francis.
I guess your range has been changed now, huh? You have built some good client base now, huh?
Let me earn when there is some market, Francis.
Make it quick. There are some vacant rooms in Metro Hotel.
How can I come now? You go. I'll settle him, then I'll come there by Raju's auto.
What nonsense are you talking? For years' sake, I've bought a Raja whiskey and biryani.
What shall I do for that? Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes? I'll finish his dealings and come soon. One more thing. Some people may try to cheat you. Don't go with them. They are dangerous. AIDS.
I can't wait. I'll give you 1,500.
What kind of idiot man are you? Haven't you seen women in your life? Go find someone else, man.
I can't.
You. If you're willing, you give me just 750 rupees. I'll only come with you. Huh? What do you think? Huh? You have a very good personality. Why don't you look for someone better? Why are you here spoiling my works?
Listen, Francis. You go and watch a movie at home. I'll go with him, finish his deal and come back. After so many months, I've got this nice business. Don't create problem. Go.
Definitely you're going to repent for it. Him and his 1,500 bucks, he has come to spy me.
Can we go by auto and not your car? I'll arrange for it.
No.
What is this, sir? How many girls do you want?
She's my wife.
These days people behave in a strange way. Last month there was a dealing like this. A wife and her husband and his friend. They gave me 2,000 rupees. He must be your friend.
Sister,
Huh?
there was a little bet between me and my friend. I said you'll come if he calls you. But he said he won't come. But he lost the bet.
Oh, what do you think? Am I a joker in your card game? I could have gone out with Francis.
Take this.
No, sir. I have not done anything. I don't want this.
This is not a fee. This is for pleasure.
Will you show your pleasure like this? But some people are. Shall I go, sir? See you.
Why did you play this cheap game?
Have I ever given you straight answers for your questions? You should have understood by this time. Can you predict anything? Where we are going? Any wild guesses?
I want to see my daughter. Where is my daughter?
At least I need to listen to her voice. We'll do everything what you say. Please believe us.
When selfishness and greediness are the main motto of a human being, why Parvati? Where we get a conclusion for all of our problems.
Huh?
Parvati will stay here only. You just get down, Ravi. The person who you are supposed to meet, your boss, is inside there. Take this. Let's clear all your problems today. If you decide, the story will finish here. Finish him.
What are you saying? Me? To kill?
You would be scared to kill. But not me. Ammu and Parvati just started to live their life, isn't it?
Hey, no.
You want to kill me? If there is going to be a change in Ammu's position, you definitely are going to need me. Beatrice is not the only one who is with me. I don't think you have understood that.
You're having a family. Your mom, dad, and sister. And why are you doing this?
When I compare them to my goals, they're absolutely nothing to me.
Devi,
Oh, Ravi, you scared me.
you. How come you're here?
Oh, what a great question. This is my house. I should have asked you that. How did you find this house, Ravi? Oh, I messaged you. You got that, right?
What message?
What, Ravi? Don't you remember what you told me when you called me in the morning? You called me your boss and told me Parvati is not well.
I'll be there in a while. Parvati is not feeling well.
Why did you tell like that? I understood. Something was bugging you. I messaged you my house address a little later. Then I called you so many times. No response.
I didn't have mobile with me.
I thought you wouldn't come today. But do you have a plan to give me a surprise just like you gave Parvati? Is that your plan? Why do you feel nervous? Is it because it's my house? Avoiding people. It had been a long time. Hiding in the lift and office restrooms. We enjoyed a lot. But today in this house, we are all alone. Just for this day. You have told so many lies to Parvati.
Listen. Today. No.
What? I know. Why is your mood like this today? Because of long drive. Guilty feeling every minute that you're cheating Parvati. Don't I have that guilty feeling?
Devi.
You didn't see that, right? The surname of my name? My husband, Venkatesh.
Where is he now?
Didn't I tell you? He went to Delhi this morning. Else how could we meet here? Could you imagine it?
What if your husband knows about our relation?
Why do you say so? I can't even think of it. My ambe will get shattered. Why are you saying this now?
He knows everything.
What?
My child is in his custody. He'll kill my child. I don't have another way to save my child, Devi. It is a punishment to us for the sin we have done. He wants that. I cannot sacrifice my innocent child. I have to do this.
You don't have any option, Ravi.
I can't do it. Not possible.
Come on, do it.
I can't kill her.
But I can kill. One death is for sure. Instead of 6-year-old girl getting killed, it is better to kill her.
I can't.
Do it now!
Oh no! Ravi, no! No, Ravi, please! Please!
I'm sorry, Devi!
Did you see? This is how much he is in love with you. Huh? I know you will have many reasons to tell me, Devi. A husband who always arrives late. Even if I'm close to you, you have lost many intimistic nights due to my work, lack of care, and many more reasons. It might look okay for a married woman to have an extramarital affair when she is lacking intimacy, spending long time in the office. It might be a natural occurrence. For every questions you ask, there will be a smart colleague who answers for everything. There will be a rapport that might lead to a relationship. That I can understand. But this was not love. For a moment I thought when you see her, you wouldn't pull the trigger. But you did it. This is not even friendship, man. You were just looking for physical warmth. This is a mere lust. Remember the lady whom you fixed the price. She is even more worse. That lady is selling her own body for her own livelihood. She looks very small in front of her. But she is called a prostitute. Instead, you should be called. You fixed a price for these two bodies. Your facial reaction when I touched your wife in the hotel room. Do you remember that reaction? Do you even remember that pain? By knowing that I'm not present here, you have come to have a relationship with my wife. Now I've spent my whole day with you. You rascal, can you imagine about my pain?
Ambi! Please! Please!
Where is my child?
Ammu is safe. She's in your house.
Ammu! Ammu! Ammu?
Papa?
How was your day?
Beatrice auntie and I played hide and seek very well.
Is it? Sleep, dear.
No, Ravi.
Paru, she was also involved in this.
She doesn't know anything.
What do you mean?
Amu was here the whole day and safely without knowing that her dad has lost all his earnings and properties for her. And Beatrice has not played any role in this game.
I didn't understand.
I know. I know everything. Everything.
I am Venki. I'm Devi's husband. I wanted to talk to you.
Hello? Ravi, Amu.
He spoiled completely. Not only our hard-earned money, Paru, but our daughter's entire future.
Who said that we have lost our money? Can you please make it fast? I'll wait here. No need of that. I'll come tomorrow. Please give the slip.
Okay.
Thank you.
So then, spoiling only my career was your aim?
I didn't do that, Ravi. Your career is also safe. You did not lose anything, Ravi. Career, money, and Amu. Anything.
You made me a fool. The whole day.
Bastard!
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Well done.
I deserve
I deserve it. You too.
Yes, we are. We thought to make you understand at least one day how the pain is if your loved person betray you. When he told everything about you to me, I felt ashamed on myself that I didn't know you had another love. After all this, you pretend to love me as if nothing was wrong. You don't have to pretend anymore, Ravi. You just lost your wife who trusted you blindly. You won't get her back.
I don't have to say any excuse. You can decide. I swear to you, Paru, there's nothing wrong in you. It just happened. I'm not just justifying myself. I knew already about the consequences which I got today. You can decide.
I don't know, Ravi. My heart might forgive you. Not because there is no other way. Because today you suffered a lot for our daughter. Physically and mentally. You are indeed a good father. Only for that. But Ravi, shall I ask you one thing? If I was in the Devi's place, would you forgive me?
Excuse me, Dr. Susan.
Ravi, come. You're right on time.
Good morning, Susan.
Good morning.
Parvati.
Hi.
Hi, come.
Susan, your check.
You're doing a good job. Some decent people will give leftover food for his wife's birthday. But you're giving a big amount for the trust. Really appreciable.
I don't have any share in this. It is her wish.
I have heard lot about this hospital. Patients get more affection and care here than home.
My senior Mr. Panikar always says, patient needs peace of mind than the medicine. We are just trying that.
Ravi,
What is it?
This is a curious case. She attempted suicide, but it did not happen. Her husband saved her. She's just alive, but she's paralyzed. Everyone knows that she can't walk anymore. But one man doesn't believe it. Her husband. I just told about him. He's here.
I got the medicine which you prescribed.
Keep it there.